Fatima control for this bad economy, you still they get the bad character. Make them post to go Taraba, make them use to do shawama.
My country people, this Kizz Daniel new song is everything and more. I hear saying a Verydarkman he dedicate this song allegedly. This song is everything and more. Forget this vado, this Kizz Daniel sabi this music of a thing. Man no even get any bad song at all. Who do you? Now juju you they use this man. Someone even typed in his comment section, you should prank us and at least give us one bad song. Make we see all these trolls, make they see waiting they go for drag you now. But no, man too sabi. Make I play it, make una hear him very well. This music bam, no be lie.
Fatima control for this bad economy, you still they get the bad character. Make them post to go Taraba, make them use to do shawama. I'm 10 kilo party wo they play.
The part where sweet me they come make una
they play. Apology for waiting I say. Apology for waiting you say. Don't play or you will learn proper. Now me they collect the money, now you they spend. Oh my dealer, you get it slow. Give me like that one, that Canada. Oh my dealer, oh my dealer.
Share you the feel this song, Abi. This song is too much. Apology for waiting you say. They play for waiting, Kwanu. Why you go say something? You go ask me to apologize for you. Now waiting they tell Verydarkman to they do where the man cause say I no go fit do and move. Say apologize for waiting, Kwan. Say I say something, I apologize. You must say something, they tell say make I apologize to you. Say waiting happen. This Verydarkman a serious way. Man no even the reason waiting others the reason. You understand? I don't even stand for anybody. As they do, may they do. Anything where they like, may they do them. My own be say, make una they bring gist, make I foresee they talk. Because I can't afford to starve Miami ball lovers. You know, bam now. I be my people waiting on I think. Drop your opinion for comment section. This particular song now is coming out on 5th of July. So get ready because this Kizz Daniel song, the way I see him, he go blow past Buka. Seriously. Give me Igbo make I dey go Canada. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the tutorial. But do not see they do it for my page. No moment at all. As then they could come no side the carry con give on. I still one and only Iyabo girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos, share to your friends, your families, anybody around you. The larger the family, the more fun it is here. I beg, they share my videos. I know they watch alone. If you watch and it's sweet, you make you share. Ngwanu, stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.